Hey friends, it's Jess. So I made my way over to Michael's today. I actually stopped in a Hobby Lobby parking lot, didn't get out, and went over to Michael's. I saw that Michael's had a new item from Make Market. These. They're like mini sets, like the paint gems. So of course I wanted to go check it out. At the end of the video, you'll see which one I picked up. But most of the kits have 6 or so. You can see right there, they're like 4-inch by 6-inch sizes. They have a variety of kits. They have succulents, cactus, birds, butterflies back there, some mushrooms, bugs, mandalas, the whole 9 yards. Then they even had these, which really reminded me of, like the space set and the national park set. There's only 4 of those, and they're a little bit bigger. They also had these on the side. These were almost like some textures, like the ones at the bottom, some patterns, like background. And those ones on the top, like that rainbow one, that's like a free-for-all. So, very cool. And so this is the regular aisle, and I just did 2 passes right here. These kits, I believe, range from like $16.99 to like $34.99. There's always a sale. There's always a coupon. I actually have that one with the fruit. Right, so next you'll just be seeing me open up the one I actually picked up from today, the new stuff. All right, guys, this is going to be very rough, but this is the one that I picked up. It has 6 4 by 6-inch. You can see it right there on the box. Make Market. And they're partials. It does say in the middle. I'm gonna open this up and let you guys see what's inside. Before we open it up, this is the back where it tells you how to do it, diamond painting. This is good beginner kits. And right down there, because it is a partial, it's telling you what the diamond area is. So those, basically, it's just a pot of plants that you're going to be diamond painting. Okay, guys, I need to have a free hand. Just trying to make this quick. My son has basketball today, and I didn't want to make this a huge production. It did came really packaged nicely. It comes with a standard toolkit. The boat is a little bit bigger than a standard white kit or a white boat, and it's about the same sturdiness. No spout. Extra baggies. So this is great for travel. The squishy's already on it. And 2 pads of wax in there. There is no multi-placer in this kit. So my go-to multi-placer was on Amazon. It's a thin 4-placer. You can find those. It was like a pack of 30 for like $9. These are the gems. Why do I keep calling these gems? These are the drills, people. Instructions. It's the same with every Make Market one. These are nice. Look, they're framed. All right. They're already individually cut. They're big. So these are really nice. And it just has the letters. Okay, we're going to go through the drills also. And it's nice because it's like framed out. So either you cut this off there or try and, find a frame. These are 4 by 6. I like that one. Now, we're going to see if there's any ABs or anything. If not, I mean, these kits are so tiny. You can go ahead and, maybe even get leftover ABs that you might have. Oh my gosh, I really like these pink and purples in here. Okay, so, of course, you're going to have a lot of greens, a lot of browns. There's no DMC, so it's only by the letter. So I would use a small case to put them in. And all of the A's are going to be the same color through all of the kits, because that's how they keep it, that it's easy. So this is all of the A's that you're going to use for those 6 diamond paintings are going to be included in this one. But you're not necessarily going to use each color on every kit. Okay. I love these greens. Of course, you have more of those greens. There's actually 2 trains. The other one's coming up in a moment. Put that there. So, all right, nice. We have 25 colors total in here. So I'm excited. I'm going to pick them up in probably a set that looks like these. You can get these from Amazon. There are 28 sections in these. You shouldn't pay more than $5 or $6 for one of these cases. They have bigger cases. I have this little one that's a 30 jar that I'm using for a kit that I'm working on now. It's a really small kit, like a 30 by 30 kit, and I have it in here. You can use this for this because this has like 29 colors, like I just said. So I will start. I don't think I'm going to start working on these yet. I'm going to kit them up. I'm going to finish the 30 by 30 that I have going right now because I'm going to bring this on vacation with me. So vacation is in another like 3 or 4 weeks. My grandmother is having a really big birthday. I'll share about that more. But, all right, guys. So that is it for this little Make Market kit that I just picked up from Michaels today with partials. You saw the other kits there. And the material is like the material you've been getting on the Make Market ones. It's like a nylon-y. The stick that I love the Make Markets because they don't run too far over. These are round drills. If you didn't notice that, I don't think I said it. So it's round drills. All right, guys. So go and check out the kits at Michaels to see if there would be something that you would like to work on. They're great for travel with spring break coming up. Maybe they're even like just little kits that you can get done while the kids are home from school. And if you don't want to bring out your big sets because they're busy, they're on the table, they're X, Y, and Z, and you need just something little to do while you guys are traveling or while you're just home entertaining them. They can entertain themselves with these. They had cute ones. They had like fish ones. They had like the mandalas I showed you. They had bugs. So, I mean, it's a lot of little cute things. So this might actually come in handy for that time of year also, for the kids to be doing something. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. It's been really fun getting back into YouTube. I really appreciate it. If you guys like what you've been watching lately, please subscribe to the channel. I've been diamond painting since 2021, so I'm still very new at it. I'm having a lot of fun with it. I tell everyone about it just because it's relaxing and you end up with something that you could either just look at on your own or display in your home or give as gifts or occupy the kids. So enjoy, guys, your day. And if you like what you saw, please subscribe, please like, and I read all the comments. I will talk to you guys soon.